Hey everybody, Greg Davis here. This video is going to be about how to make a website in 5 minutes using Dreamweaver CS5. You know, Dreamweaver is one of the best web design software out there, and today it's so easy to use, anybody can learn it very quickly. So what I recommend you doing is getting the trial version. All you gotta do is sign up at adobe.com, which is totally free, and download the trial. So when you open Dreamweaver, you will see the start screen, which you can see right here. First off, we're going to create a new HTML site. Simply click right here, and there we go. We got a blank HTML page to work on. And before we do anything, let's save this page. File name will be index.html, which is usually the main page of a website. Click save, and we're done. Now, let's go ahead and make our very first website. Let's see what happens if I simply start typing here. We have a preview button up here, so you can open up a browser and preview your page in a browser to see how it looks like. I'm going to preview my page in Google Chrome. We got to save it first, and there you go. It pretty much looks the same as in Dreamweaver. Anyway, let's go back to Dreamweaver and let's take a look at code view. Here you can see the actual HTML code that Dreamweaver generates for you, so you don't have to worry about that. Let's go back to design view, and I'm going to delete these junk characters here. Now it's time to make a website, but we can just place content anywhere on an HTML page, just like on a Microsoft Word document, because HTML is a program code. So there's two ways to position your content on an HTML page. You can lay out your page using tables, or you can use div tags, also called CSS layers. Well, we don't really use tables anymore, but right now I'm going to show you how to lay out your page using tables. Because working with tables is so easy to learn. You can learn it in 10 minutes or so. And with that said, I'm going to fold up my insert panel. I just double click it. And on the comment tab, you can see the comment tab right here, we can insert a table. Let's just do one row and one column. Table width will be 750 pixels, and we're going to set a 1 pixel border. Click OK, and we're done. I would like to align center. Now I can insert my header image, so I'm just going to drag and drop my header image onto this table. I'm just going to click OK. And there you go, I have my header image on the table. Now I'm going to hit my right arrow key on my keyboard, so you can see the cursor right here. And now I'm going to insert a different table to position my content below the header image. This table will be slightly different. It's going to be 3 rows, 3 columns, same 750 pixels wide, and no border this time. Click OK, and we're done. Now I have a different table inside the other table. I'm going to set a margin 60 pixels on each side. And now we could type here as we would like, but in this case I'm just going to paste my text here. And that's it. Let's preview our page. Click save. And that's what we have so far. I also would like to show you how you can insert a sign-up form here. So I'm going to head over to my iContact account, which is an email marketing software. And I already have a form created, since iContact creates it for you, basically. All we gotta do is just cut and paste the code. So that's what I'm gonna do, and go back to Dreamweaver, and I would like the form right here, and I'm gonna go to code view, and I'm gonna paste the code here. That's it. I go back to design view, and there we have the form. I would like to align center, center. Let's preview our page in the browser again. Click save, and there we go. As you could see, I have just created an opt-in page from scratch in 5 minutes, right? And it really is that simple to make a website. Alright, I didn't get into much details, but I just wanted to show you how easy it is, and as you could see, anybody can do this, right? So here's what I got. I've created a 4 hours of high definition video tutorial course that will teach you step by step how to make your website in a matter of 2 days. That's right. And in fact, I don't even care if you're a complete newbie and you've never even seen HTML code in your life. It doesn't matter. It's very step by step and easy to understand. And when I say step by step, I really mean it. So step 1, click here, do this, here's how and why. Step 2, do this, here's how and why, and so on. So that's how I'm going to show you every single step to create your professional looking website or landing page. So here's what you need to do next. Just click the Add to Cart button somewhere on this page, hopefully below the video. Place your order and see you in the other side. Thanks a lot for watching and see you there.